stuff wrong with us. 7 out of the first 10 plays belong to us, man. We eat today. We at home. We train for this, man. That's a game of us versus them. I'm taking us every time.
This is our house, man. Rest in peace, Dan Rooney, man. We give him everything we got today and every day.
Ben Roethlisberger running onto the field, holding up a flag that has the Dan M. Rooney insignia in the shamrock, and it's just a great moment as they honor the late chairman of the Pittsburgh Steelers. He's back, he's going to set up a screen, and it's broken up. Reaching up is T.J. Watt to bat that out of the air. Over the middle, the pass is pulled in. Running with the football, Martavis Bryant. He outruns everybody to the end zone.
And what would you have said to Terrence as you're running by?
Hello, Newman.
As soon as the ball stepped, Cam Hayward is in the backfield.
And the charge spearheaded by Cameron Hayward, who's having some kind of afternoon.
Cam Hayward has not been blocked yet.
Little shovel pass down to the goal line, and in comes Juju Smith-Schuster. And that is his first touchdown reception of his Steelers career. Here's a big rush. He's hit and sacked back inside his 35-yard line. Bud Dupree, welcome back, Bud. Oh, they're going to throw the pass, and the pass will be broken up. Ball over on down. Tyler Matakevich was there.
This could be one of those backbreakers for the Minnesota Vikings.
Come on. What we doing? What we doing?
Who? He knocked him out.
That's what you call delivering a dose of deceleration trauma.
This is a free play. He throws it long down the left sideline. Martavis pulls it in at the 15-yard line with a diving catch. Wow! Vince Williams with his first of the season. Shallow cross. Here comes Antonio Luce. Gets by a man. He's at the 45, the 50, and runs out of bounds in Viking territory at the 45-yard line.
Once again, it wasn't as pretty as we were hoping, as we were expecting, but the Steelers did what they needed to do to win.